Hi friends, this is Ogrish and welcome back to my channel Huge Mood. So today I will be unboxing and reviewing the all new JBL Go portable Bluetooth speaker, and I will be giving a small demo of this product. So let's unbox this base. So in the front side we can see the JBL branding over here and the product name JBL Go. So in this side it has written some specifications like it has got Bluetooth and it has got 5 hours of battery life. You can see 5 hours of play time. So it has also got speakerphone, which is really a good thing to have in a portable Bluetooth speaker. Let's open it up. We are keeping this box aside. Now look how small is this. It is really a compact speaker and it feels so good in hand because it has got a rubbery finish all over its body, but in the front it has got a meshy finish. You can see. So let's check what we have got in the top. So in the top, on extreme left, we can see the power on off button. Beside it we have got a Bluetooth button to turn it off or on. So beside it we have got the volume rocker keys, and on the extreme right side we can see that this is the call receive key. That means in this speaker we can accept calls. So it's really a good thing to have a microphone in it. So in the left side we can see there is a group, so we can put a loop through it to carry it. And in the right side we can see we have got a auxiliary input for aux cables, and beside it we have got a charging port for charging this device, which is micro USB mobile charger will work. So beside it we have got a microphone. So friends, now I will tell you the specification of this speaker. So it is a 3-watt speaker and it has got a battery life of 5 hours, which is a pretty decent thing at this price point because it cost only 1500 rupees. Now you can get it on Flipkart or Amazon at around 1600. So friends, now we will check what we have got inside this box. So let's open it up. We can see we have got some manuals. If you need it, you can definitely go through it. And now this is the charging cable which will help you to charge the speaker, and the combination is really cool, orange and black. It looks nice. So now let me play some music for you and show you how well it sounds. Friends, now I will try to connect my device with the JBL Go. So first I would turn it on by simply pressing the power on key. Our LED is blinking, as we can see. Now I will turn on the Bluetooth. By simply pressing once we can turn it on. Now on the mobile device, let me turn on the Bluetooth. And I'm scanning the device. Yeah, we can see JBL Go, it appears. Now the pair is successful. My phone is paired with the JBL Go. Now let me check the sound quality. The bass and the sound quality is just too good. A big thumbs up to the JBL team for their effort, and I would suggest that you can definitely buy it, because at this price point you won't be getting any better. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. So if you like this video, just let me know in the comment section below, and like, share, subscribe. So we'll catch up in my next video. Till then, bye.